Hi guys, this is Mary Beth. Tonight I got two of my grandkids here and we're having a snack time. So I'm going to show you them and I'm going to show you me. And we are all having a snack.
Pulling up the slack.
Y'all know who that is.
Joe Clyde watching people feed the fish at the park, at the gazebo. Oh, don't spill it. That's Paleigh and Ryland. Hi. Hi, Paleigh. And it's snack time with Ryland and Paleigh, and they both got their iPad. So, Paleigh, are you loving your snack time? Yeah? What are you eating?
Apples.
Apples? Are they good? Really good? Yeah. So, Ryland, what are you eating? Apples?
Apples.
Apples. And French fries. Are they good? I think you're having a good time. Are y'all having a good snack time? Why Papa is not eating apples? What's Papa eating? What's Papa got for his snack time? Huh? So Paleigh, tell Papa what you're eating for snack time. Apples. Apples? All right, and you got your iPad? What's on your iPad, Paleigh? Paleigh, what do you got on your iPad? Wait, let me come and see. On your iPad?
Yeah.
Let's see what you got. Oh, that looks cute. That's what you like? It's who? Pepper?
What color are these?
Pepper Pig?
Yeah.
And Ryland, what are you looking at? What are you looking at? Colors? Colors. So, what's that? Orange?
Orange.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Orange.
Orange.
And what else? Okay, I'm going to let y'all have snack time, all right? Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you in a minute. It's a great snack time, huh? Hey, this is Joe, and this is him at our snack time, and we're having Chester's popcorn too, and this is Mocha. They're visiting from Houston, my grandchildren and us, and we got the kids. They're gone somewhere, but we got the kids and the dog. So Joe is happy with his snack. So they got their snacks. I'm gonna go get mine. For my snack, I'm gonna have this Oscar Mayer Deli Fresh oven roasted turkey breast, and we have some sunbeam bread, and I have to have Miracle Whip. And I'm gonna add some French's yellow mustard, and that's gonna be my snack for tonight. I've got my sandwich made, and now I'm gonna find me some chips. Well, Joe Clyde was eating Chester cheese popcorn, so I think that's what I'm gonna eat with my sandwich tonight. That should be okay. The kids are finished with their snack. Now they're down here playing. What are y'all coloring? What are you coloring? Just coloring? Okay. Look at all those colors over here. You need to put them back in your box. Can y'all please put them back in the box? Wouldn't that be good? Find all the colors. Look, y'all got colors everywhere. They're all over the place. Can y'all put them back in the box?
Yellow.
All right, yay! Put them in the box. Yay! That's a great job. That's a great job. Are you still coloring, Paleigh, or are you just picking up colors? You're cleaning up? Are you cleaning up? How did all those colors get under the table? Who put the colors under the table? Ryland? Oh, Ryland put them under the table? Ryland, you gotta help Paleigh get the colors up from under the table. That's a lot of colors. Okay, well, y'all have fun, okay? Well, it's been another 30 minutes and it's time to put the kids to bed. Their parents are going out and me and Joe Cloud are just about going out. I'm gonna finish with my snack. From here, I'm gonna say good night, y'all.